Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and if you're still looking for a case for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, then check out this video. Today we have cases from Ringke, and this is their full line for the Galaxy Fold 2. Let's check it out. Now Ringke has several options for you if you're looking for a case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold, and all of them protect the front and the back of your phone, which is really important. Most of the cases that we've been finding lately only protect the back and not the front, specifically the ones from Samsung. So here what we're seeing is 3 variants of the cases that Ringke has. And what you have is all of these have, I would say, a signature feature that you see with Ringke, which is the ability to have like a little loop or lanyard, something that you can use on your wrist to keep the phone secure if you'd like to. And then you have the back portion of it, which has these little strips. These little strips are, they have an adhesive. It's not like super glue or anything like that, but it's an adhesive that keeps the case on it. And then what you have is the same thing over here, and you'll notice that it has it right here as well. And I think that that's the only place. I don't really see it anywhere else. It's just right here on this side. Doesn't seem like there's anything in the inside frame. All of them are made out of a polycarbonate material, and all of them are going to give you kind of like a different view. So this is, for example, clear. And what I like about the clear one is it shows you or gives you a sense of that adhesive material. So you can see the little strips that you see right here. And this makes sure that things stay locked into place. And you can see how this one looks as well. Right? And then what you have is a frost version. And this frost version, again, you can see how the strips stand out. And it's going to give you some pretty cool protection. So let's go ahead and try one of these on so we can see what this looks like. So these are really simple to put on. I'm not going to remove the strips because I'm going to be swapping these on and off. And you can see that, you know, this is the kind of protection that you're going to get immediately. You can see from a screen perspective, this does give you great protection. It raises well above it, which is really nice. And then on the back side, we'll go ahead and slap this one on. Just snaps into place like this. And what we're looking for is, does it have camera protection, the module? And you can see that that gives you some great camera protection right there. Other areas, you can see you get great protection over here. Everything looks like it aligns nicely. Just make sure that's snapped in place. It has like these little bumpers on the corner, which is nice. So it keeps it raised. So when you put it down like this, it's kind of like raised. You can see it right here. And it aligns with the same height of the camera module, which I really like. All right. Fingerprint sensor finds it easy. Unlocks nicely. Right. If we open this up, yeah, everything here looks good. Everything looks really nice. The only thing that you don't get with this one is the spine doesn't get protected, but we've seen most of the cases that we've seen on the market don't protect the spine. Matte finish, not a fingerprint magnet. Feels nice in the hand, and again, would be a great option. Also supports wireless charging, so if we were to check the wireless charging option, I'll put this right here and see that works. Put it right on top of it, and you can see that it wireless charges without a problem. So all these cases are going to support wireless charging. Let's take a look at what each one of these colors look like on your phone. Now the next one we're going to put on is the clear. So we're going to snap that one into place. Again, I'm not going to remove any of the little stickies. We'll just snap them in so you can see what this looks like. This, again, depending on the color that you've chosen, is going to highlight the phone itself, the color. All of them are going to be the same color in the front, so it really doesn't matter. And this is, again, the actual look that you get. Same level of protection. So you have that little bumper right here. It has kind of like a reflective thing to it too. So you have your little bumper here, and it's also raised here nicely. Everything aligns the same way. Everything gives you that same level of protection. Everything looks pretty good. So this is what this one would look like. Now the last case we're taking a look at is the frost version, and you can see the frost here. I'm kind of digging this one too. I kind of like the way it's not super glossy. It doesn't feel like it's going to be a fingerprint magnet either. Again, has all the same features, all the same level of protection that you saw with the other ones. Everything aligns really nicely. And just like this other one, and even though this is a glossy look, all of them feel really nice in the hand. So this has kind of like a satin finish to it. Doesn't feel slippery, and it feels that it's really easy to just hold on to the phone. This also, just like the other ones, all support wireless charging, so if you're concerned about wireless charging, you'll notice that it works as well. So guys, those were the 3 cases for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G from Ringke. All of them great options. All of them are going to give you some great protection, both front and back, and they're not a bad buy for your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2.